Today I'm going to show you guys how I transition from natural brown to a golden warm ombre look. You'll need to gather the things you'll need. 40 developer is being used in this video just because of the hair quality. You'll need to get a rinse or a toner, something to put back into the hair. And I'm coloring my wig today. Like I said, we're going just from the ombre look. Let me just say that I am a licensed professional, and these are the steps that I use on my clients. Well, of course, it's not in this setting, but since I'm just doing it for me, I just had a little time after a client, I just decided to go ahead and get this done. So I'm going to do 2 ounces because I'm only doing the ends. And if you look on the side of the bowls, it normally have the measurements. You really can't see it here. I'm inputting 2 ounces. Equivalent to that, I'm going to do 2 cups of powdered developer, powder form. And let me just say, everybody has their own steps and process. This is, like I said, is what I use on my clients. It's more sufficient, time consuming. It's not really at all. You may hear my son in the background. I said I'm not going to retake this video. Also, you guys have to kind of beat the powder into the bowl. Do not stir it. You can stir a little bit, but once you beat it, you get that chunks out that's needed to really dissolve into it and let the chemical work fully. Okay, now that we got that taken care of, it's time to apply. Like I said, we're only doing the ends, and I'm showing you where I want to start, where I'm stopping. And as you go through, like you're painting, just apply it as if you're painting. And you'll see, like, once you go up, you don't make it fine. You just go into it, take the brush a long ways, and just go in. I'll show you really soon. Yeah, I'm just going in, doing the ends. As you see, I'm holding the brush a long ways, up to down, not side to side. And make sure you get product all throughout. Even if you have to use, like, get a little more and do the process over, do it. Just make sure you have it fully covered, because you don't want to have cheetah spots, like some of it black and some of it golden. Like, that's not going to look cute. So thoroughly input the product. This is something you have to take your time with. You not necessarily rushing at all, because it's a chemical for one, but then again, chemicals have a time frame. So like after a certain time, this chemical is really not good. Like when it gets really puffy and stuff, like it's really not any use. You kind of waste it. So just go ahead and put it. The quicker you get it on, the quicker you get the process going. And please use gloves, because if you don't, like, you can burn yourself. And I can tell you one hack: if you use water, either on yourself, or you feel like the color is taking too much, just put water on it, and it'll slow the process down to eventually where it'll stop it. The chemicals are very interesting. And like, if you see I'm going in, I'm just, okay, once we've combed thoroughly, got that product in there, I like to use plastic caps. Other people like to use aluminum foil, but I'm using plastic caps because I'm putting this product into the dryer. I want all that heat to stay in so the product can work 2 times as fast as it would if it was just out by itself, getting that air, or if it was inside of the aluminum. So I'm going to put it into the dryer for about 30 minutes. And I say that because this hair is really not a good quality hair to where it'll change instantly. You know, you have hair like that. However, this, I'm going to go ahead and put it in the dryer and let it set for 30 minutes. Continue to check on it. And I want to say in between, I kind of put some water on it so it can slow down a little bit. And then this is what it came out to be. We're going to go ahead and get ready to shampoo and put the rinse on top of it. And you must use neutralizing shampoo. And there that rinse go again. And this was after I ended up shampooing and everything. And then I put the rinse on, let the rinse set for about 30 minutes as well. Get it out. And then deep condition is everything.
Let me just say this. We might on the things that I'll be missing, like your lips, your love, your kiss, your hugs. I can't understand this feeling. You give me your love, it's healing. Why you waste time? I wanna give up. All the shit we went through is on us. From meaning to thinking, to loving to creeping. Understand the truth, forgive us both. Meaning to what it is being, to what it ain't being. See, I just wanna let you know, all things being said, I got it by my flow. Under these conditions, my heart mission is completely incomplete. All of the guidelines must be me. In order for my love to be seen, I refuse you and I say what I mean. I love you, yeah, I'm in love with self. Tell me, sweet boy, what else is left? You fed me a vision on this adventure, this mission. You gave me hope out of nothing. You showed me true love, no fronting. What's real and what's not. My loving had you ready, had you hot. Under these conditions, my heart mission was to seal your love, lock it away, along with your trust.
Tell me the truth, just let me in my eyes, baby. Tell me the truth. You ain't gotta feed me lies, baby. Tell me the truth. I really just want the truth, baby. Tell me the truth, 'cause it ain't gonna hurt.